So, it's been a minute, like 2 months, since I last made a video, and y'all deserve an explanation. Hey y'all, my name is Srinidhi. On here I'm Scrappy Treasures, and I make videos on how to alter clothes to fit your body type and fit your unique style. I haven't made a video in a bit, like 2 months, and so I wanted to explain why, just so you understand where I am and why I disappeared. It's not because I gave up on YouTube. It's not because I don't care about y'all. It's still a huge passion of mine, and a lot of clothes don't sell things that cater to all body types and styles. I know there's a huge problem there, and I really do want to make sewing more accessible to people and help people take the power back into their hands when it comes to fashion. The reason why I've been away is more because of my own life. It's more because of obstacles that have stood in my way. So I started altering my own clothes in high school, and I would put some pictures up on Facebook, like just before after pictures. And I started getting enough people asking me, like, okay, you need to tell us exactly how you did this. That I finally listened to them, and I made my first YouTube video in college. It was a cute little stop motion video on a t-shirt transformation from a t-shirt to a dress. From there, wow, like the rest is history. Oh, well, not really. From there, a lot has changed. So I, would post once in a while back then. I was in an engineering school, an engineering college. I was pursuing engineering as a practical way to earn a living, and posting these videos whenever I could as my passion. Unfortunately, engineering school just really wasn't for me. The tech world is not for me. It's soul draining, and it's not where I would be happy in my life. So when I graduated college, it's a little late, I know, but I graduated college and I decided I'm going to give a creative career a shot. I'm going to give my life a shot, my dreams a shot, and my happiness a shot. Luckily, I had the privilege of being able to live with my parents, and so I didn't have to worry about rent, and I committed to this channel. I wanted to get a video out a week. Boy, was that hard. Like, I don't know if you know my video type, but I need to sew the clothing that I'm doing, film the whole process, film before after pictures, film a talk through of the instructions of what I'm doing, and then put all of that together and edit each of those in separate parts. Like, oh, man, it took me like 20 hours per video at the least. And this was after, videos of trying to make it faster, and I didn't know how to bring it down more than that. And that was to do with the type of content I was making. I had a side job as an after-school teacher, but with this consuming like 20 to 30 hours a week, plus my part-time job, it was a lot. I started to just feel low motivation. My mental health started to go into a bit of a depression, and I wasn't around a support group that believed in my dream either. So I started to doubt myself, and I didn't believe in myself anymore. I was like, all the people around me are able to live on their own. I'm still living with my parents. At a certain point, I even got fired from my job, from my teaching job, and I was unemployed, and I just felt like worthless, basically. My mental health just started going in a downward spiral. I no longer got excited about making a video. Instead, I would think, what's the fastest video I can make? Each week, it felt like a huge chore, and so I didn't take care of myself properly either. I was not eating right, I was not waking up at a regular time or sleeping at a regular time. it just really started to take a toll on me, and I realized, okay, like, this cannot come before my health. I need to take a step back and reprioritize my health, which means I need to get a routine back in my life, wake up on time, go to sleep on time, take care of that, perhaps get a regular full-time job to help create a routine in my life. And once I have all of that set, I'll have the energy and motivation again to feel passionate about YouTube again. So yeah, that's why I've been gone. In short, my mental health is not in a great place, and I need to get that back on track by taking a break from YouTube. So, going after a creative career is hard, and it is important to, go after your dream, but remember to put your health first. Like, go after your dream and take care of yourself. Don't push yourself so hard that you forget what's really important. You have to go after your dream in a way that's sustainable. So I'm trying to, take care of myself so I can do that. I'll hopefully be posting a couple videos still. Hopefully I won't be absent completely. It's definitely not going to be once a week though. And it might be shorter. It might just be like projects that I happen to make for myself rather than solving the problems that you have asked for. So yeah, that's in short why I've been gone. I really do want to come back. I just have to get my life and my mental health together and be able to believe in myself and my passion again. So yeah, that's the short story of it. In the comments below, tell me if you can relate. Like, I know a lot of y'all are also fellow creatives. Do you pursue that creative as a career? Is that your dream? If so, what have been the obstacles and challenges for you? I really want to hear your stories. I really, I'm sorry that I'm leaving, but I just hope you understand I have to take care of myself. So that's it, y'all. Take care of yourself, and bye.